Today I am going to share with you one of my Appalachian treats that is cheap and easy to make. Let's get started. So it only takes a few ingredients, which you probably already have in your pantry. To start, you line a cookie sheet with foil and 1 sleeve of crackers. Next, you'll need 2 sticks of butter and 1 cup of packed brown sugar, which you will place into a thick bottom pot on medium heat. You want to bring it to a rolling boil and allow it to cook at a rolling boil for 3 minutes exactly. Once it has boiled, you will then pour this over the saltine crackers, spreading it out evenly with an offset spatula. You do want to work really quick because the caramel mixture does set up pretty quickly. Once you have it spread out, you can go ahead and place on the middle shelf of a preheated 375-degree oven for 5 minutes. Then remove the pan, place your favorite chocolate morsels on top of the mixture and place back into the oven for additional 30 seconds until the chocolate has melted and you can spread it easily with an offset spatula. At this point, you can add your favorite toppings. If you would like to add Heath chips or nuts, I like to add the crushed candy, but you can make it your own for sure. Then get a gentle pat to press in the toppings and let this cool. Once it has cooled, you can break up the crackers accordingly, place in bags, and there you have an amazing Appalachian Christmas gift to give to your family and friends this holiday season.